How to disable hardware acceleration in the Brave web browser. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Click on three lines on top right. Then on left side, you'll find System. Click on System. In System, you'll find Use Graphic Acceleration when available. Simply turn that off. After you turn that off, simply click on Relaunch. After you click on Relaunch, your browser will relaunch and your hardware acceleration has been disabled. This is how to disable hardware acceleration in the Brave web browser on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.